Welcome back. We have a special heavy item here for you to view and for myself. So I don't know how long you've all been watching me, but at the end of the day, I have tons of power banks from Anker. I say tons, like 5 or 6 different ones. I even have the lights powered by the smallest Anker I have, which is this one right here. I have the headphones, I have the speakers. This is the Powerhouse with the AC adapter. Bam! There she is. She is a heavy beast. So what do we have in the box? You got the user manual, you have a book here, plug it and file it. Cool thing is if you don't already have a powerful charger to a MacBook or something else that's big, this does come with a charger. What is this here? Well, it looks like this big old boy comes with a pretty cool case too. Big case to keep it safe. You got your USB-C and you got your USB-C to C. There you go. USB to USB-C, USB-C to C. So this is, I believe this one's 45 watts. So this should be able to charge, yeah, 45 watts slim. So it does come with a IQ. That means it's going to go fast. 45 watt charger, so this is awesome, and it's slim. So you don't have to worry about using a MacBook charger or anything like that. But without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Let's slide her out. Bam! Look at that. The cool thing about this one is I wanted to be able to charge my laptop and stuff. But the cool thing about it, it's one of the slim ones. I didn't want to get the big old bulky ones with the handle. I wanted something that was, it's big, but I wanted something slimmer. Let me show you what I have close by. Just for comparison, that's a 10,000 milliamp hour. This is a 20,000 milliamp hour. This is 27 something. What is it actually, to be exact? Forgot exactly what it said. This is 27,000 milliamp hours. So not too much more than this one, but obviously, if you just want to charge phones and stuff like that, you're going to go with this bad boy. But whenever you need an AC outlet, this is the one to go for. And you do have 2 USBs, and you have a USB-C. So let's open that bad boy up. Bam! That's what's going to charge the laptop. Charge 2 other devices there, 1 other one here, and a nifty little feature, which I'll probably never use. It does have a lanyard that's built in, so you can't take this off. It's built in. Little, oh, you got to turn it on. Hold it down to turn it on, or does it have a charge? You know what? It came completely dead. So big difference. So if you don't really need an AC, go with this. This charges your phone 5 times. Other devices as well. You have, really it's a USB and then USB-C. I just put this in there so I could use a USB-C through that. But anyway, if you don't really need an AC adapter, I'd say go with this. But if you want that AC outlet to charge your phone and whatever else, power a light, this is definitely going to be the bad boy to go with. Welcome back. We have a fully charged Anker. So at the end of the day, this Anker took under 5 hours to charge. So awesome. It took under 5 hours to charge with the portable Anker 45 watt charger. This is a 100 watt device here, power bank. And yeah, I decided to hook everything up for you. Check it out. We don't want that falling over, do we? Check it out. That's charging. That's charging. The phone is charging. And the laptop is charging. So you have your AC on. You got your 3. You got 2 USB ports that are 15 watts. And then you have a USB-C that's actually 45. And then this is a 100 watt port. So it's charging everything all at once right now. It took under 5 hours to charge, like I said. I just hooked it up, so it's charging everything. So this is 27,000 milliamp hours, by the way. And it's pretty cool. I don't think I'll need this feature right here, the light, but let's just show you anyway. It does have a built-in lanyard that you can't take off unless you cut it. So there's the light, brightness, flash mode, and then it's off. So yeah, there it is. That is the power bank, and this is how big it is in your hand. You have your 2 fans down here. On the back, it's just flat. But again, this is the Powerhouse 100 watts. Easily charge that. I think this is like a 60 or 65 watt computer, so that's going to work perfect. So yeah, just kind of getting a thumbnail in here. How you want to when you plug these up, it's just going to turn on automatically, all your devices. Let's see. Oh yeah, and when you press it twice, it's actually going to turn on the AC port, so you can charge that. And then if you push it twice again, it turns on the trickle mode. Yeah, so it's going to charge slow at the end of the day. You don't want to get it fully charged. You want to go with trickle charge. But let's get out of trickle charge. I think you press it twice to get out, or do you just hold it down? I'm not sure. There you go. Yeah, hold it down. But yeah, so we're testing it out right now. Like I said, I just got it in. So I'm pleased with all the other power banks I have. These are actually Anker right here. It's Soundcore, but it's Anker. I got the power banks, the smaller ones just for the phone. Like I said, I picked up the POW key, had to return that bad boy. It's not working, so I know I can trust Anker. I have tons of their products. AC port, price point was good, and again, it came with a heavy portable 45-watt charger that charged this bad boy in under 5 hours, so I'm actually going to use this versus my MacBook Pro charger. Here it is. It's all good. I'm happy with it. It's charging everything at once. Again, for the average everyday person, you're not going to have all these wires hooked up to it. You might use the AC port and charge your phone, or you might do one or the other. Cool thing about the AC port as well, just get you the fast charger. Like I said, this is 100 watts as it is. So if you just plug your phone charger in with a fast charger directly to the AC versus the USB, it's a lot faster. But again, like with the iPhone, if you actually have the USB-C going in here, this one's a 45-watt charger out to your iPhone or whatever it is, even your MacBook. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Charging the PlayStation 4 controller. Here's the box. Don't want to ramble on too much. This is not a scientific test or anything like that. I'm just speaking from experience by owning many different Anker products, and by what the box says, you can definitely trust it. And yeah, it's holding up. So if anything goes wrong with it, for sure I'll let you know. But I'll probably more likely make a 6-month review video of this, and I'll just throw in all the other Anker products just to show you what I have. I actually have a video on that, maybe 10 or 15 videos back. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.